Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to cook delicious spicy potato chips. This recipe is very easy. You can learn it within 3 minutes. So now let's start. First, we need to prepare 2 potatoes. Peel them and cut them into slices. Now add some water to wash away the starch on the potato. Prepare the pot and boil some water. When the water boils, put the potato slices into it. Cook for about 3 minutes. Turn off the fire and take the potato slices out from the pot. Now we need to prepare the sauce. Cut some scallion. Chop some small chilies. Mince some garlic. Add half spoon of sesame seeds, half spoon of chili powder. Now prepare the pan and heat some oil. Hot oil will help to bring up the flavor of garlic, chili, and scallion. Now add 1 spoon of soy sauce, 1 spoon of vinegar, 1 spoon of oyster sauce, half teaspoon of salt. Mix well and the sauce is ready. Pour the sauce to the potato slices. Mix well and the dish is cooked. If you like my cooking recipes, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks a lot and I'll see you soon.